made it to Cabana Bay. Our first time here.
Not our first time, but our first time staying.
Well, first time staying here. We were here before, but with my cousin. Alright, so we're all the way back here. We're gonna be in building 8 on the 10th floor. I hope it's right. Well, I hope it's, we have a nice Volcano Bay view. That'll be awesome because Volcano Bay is right there to the right. And then we're gonna be up there in that building. Let's see. So I talked to a worker and it seems like we're in the beach area. Beachside, Bayside. We go through here. Whoa. We're gonna be here. Look, we're right across Volcano Bay right there. Yeah. Beachside. Right here, right here, right here. 10th floor right there.
And there's the top floor.
So we're almost all the way to the top.
Look at everybody here.
I don't like the top floor, guys.
Don't look out the window.
It's nice.
Don't look out the window.
I like the views.
Here you go. 8, 9.
Well, you did say you wanted to be high.
Yeah.
Wouldn't 11 be the...
Go ahead, guys. 11 is over here. Go. Ooh, it was about to close on me.
Yeah, we see that.
Wow!
You see better over here.
Nice. Look at the park over there.
Yeah.
Cool.
All you gotta do is aim the camera this way.
We're on the beach side.
That's it.
There goes the lazy river. We got the lazy river right there. Yeah.
They're the ones that got us the room.
What is that right there? You see, you could go up the stairs. It's like
Yeah, I saw
a sitting area. Cool. Nice. So this one closes at 11. And the other one on the other side was 9 o'clock, you said?
Yeah.
9 o'clock.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So we got the later one.
Oh, there's 2.
Yep.
There's this one.
The later.
Alright, this is the door you come in. Remember, security first. Okay? Security first. Lock. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, you come in. There's the family. You have a closet on the right side. Extra pillows. Ironing board. You got a little safe. There's the iron. Perfect. Then to your left. Sink and the mirrors. I need to turn the light here. There we go. Perfect. I love the colors. Tissue box, towel, soap, cess. What? Hair blow dryer. Is this open? Sure does. You can put your stuff in there, toothbrush and all that. Then to the left here is the shower. Look at this. Sliding glass door. Nice. These tiles. I love that color. Beach vibes. That's why we're on the beach side. Shampoo, conditioner, soap. There. Turn it on here, and then the shower's back that way. Nice. Toilet, towels. And this door has a mirror. Then you can put the towels on there. The door closes. Nice, nice. Over here we got a connected room. Got the family on that side. There's a TV, drawers. Good size. Little table. 2 queen beds. Nice. Like very open. Classic clock. Look at that. Cool.
And finally,
And then
I get to school bed to myself.
she gets to bed by herself. Her sisters are not here. They had to work. Responsibility. And then here's the view. Yeah, we got the roof, but it's okay. We got this side. And then we can see the parks from here. Look at that. So long numbers, I've never seen that before. All right, let's go. Look at the elevator area. It's like the 70s style.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep. The easy way to get fit. It's the Bayliner. We got pizza. Look at that. That one looks good. Look at that sandwich, a Cuban sandwich. Look at a Cuban sandwich. Shrimp stir fry. What? All right, in order to get in here, you make sure you have shoes and clothing. S'mores kit. Where do you do the s'mores at? Really? Oh, we have to find it.
They have this one, they have that.
Okay, you can get that, which is this one. It's a different one.
The blue one.
This one here, and then I'm gonna get this one right here. Yep. Look at this one. This is nice. Yes. Here we go. Both of them. 20. Well, you get to refill for 3 days.
Yeah, but we're only gonna be here.
Mom, can we get it, Mom? Mom, can we get it?
We can only get one.
One? Why?
Why are you gonna buy two?
One, because then we have my own.
All right, Mom, you choose which one then. I got the zesty chicken sandwich. She got a kid's chicken tenders, and she got pizza and fries. She's hungry.
I don't like how yours smells.
Mine smells?
Yeah, you-
Smells delicious.
No, because
They have a Starbucks in here. Yes. I'm excited. It's Universal store. Universal gift shop. Whoa. And they got Simpsons. Father of all things. Yes. It's true. Mother of all things.
we're things too.
Yeah, you're thing number 3. Amy's thing 2. And Allie's thing 1.
So we're just things.
Yeah. Oh, minimum. Minion almighty. Look at that. Unstoppable, unbreakable.
What does it do?
Try me. Oh, that means that they didn't take out the little tag so you could test it.
I want to test it.
Try this one.
I did.
Yeah. It's not working.
No.
That's cool.
Look at this.
Look at the shorts.
Oh yeah. Look at his eyes. They move.
They move too.
I think it's like when you open it or something.
Nice. Oh, look at the Marvel stuff. These are nice. Oh, whoa. You got the shirt. This mug. This is so cool. I've never seen this. It's heavy. That means it's expensive.
85. You're shaking.
40 bucks. I don't try to lift it up.
Oh,
This is nice.
it shouldn't be that heavy.
Girl, pick it up.
Let me get.
You got it?
It's not that
Show
heavy.
it. Show it. Please watch it.
$39.95.
Yeah,
I
40
was
bucks.
shaking.
Girl, it's hard to put it back. You did it. And I struggle.
It's so Norman. I said, wait, she already is.
Shut up, you're a dork.
That was actually good.
I like
That was
this
actually good.
I like this one.
Hey, that was a good one. Take a little stroll through the CityWalk. And it's crowded.
Yeah, that was actually pretty good.
She likes this caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino, so good, right? Yeah. Try it. Now you gotta get like a, you could get like a tall that size like that. The new Minion 4 merch. Look at this. Unstoppable, unbreakable. Shirts, shorts. Let's find this up. Sorry, look at these. Oh, wait. I just want to. Really, bro? Really?
Look at the cute donkey from Shrek. Look. The cute donkey part.
Look at this sunset, guys, in CityWalk. You got Islands Adventure and then Universal on the other side. You got the chocolate aquarium. Beautiful. Nice. Preview Epic Universe Center. My little Yoshi.
No, it's no, you're no. It's supposed to be fine.
Not Bowser. It's a toad. In the circle.
Bowser. Look at that.
Jasmine, move to the
Oh,
circle.
I want that one. I want that one, baby. Look. Yeah. I want the mug. Look.
Mario.
Yes, there it goes. It's leaking right here.
There we go. And
nice
we need
one.
the hand.
Yeah.
Is that the dragon?
The what?
Sweet dragon. How to train a dragon.
I believe so. No, I think it's on that side.
No, it is universal or that's
Yeah. There you go. You see it?
That's cool.
I want to show your brother. Chino. Look at the right. Look at the right. Gotta come right. Guys, you can do a fire pit there with s'mores.
Oh, I don't know.
It's a beautiful night. Look at this. Look at the roller coaster over there.